Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Safari. Open it and head straight to the top right toolbar. Click the circular download icon to reveal recent downloads, or use Option Command L as a shortcut. This list shows file names, sources, and progress, so you know what completed verse is still downloading. Once done, you can click any item to reveal it in Finder. Make sure to watch the progress bar on partially downloaded items so you don't act on incomplete files. Now that you see the list, manage files directly from Safari. Click the magnifying glass to reveal the file in Finder so you can move or open it. If you need more options, Control-click an entry to copy the download link, open the file, or remove it from the list. Make sure to scan unknown files with antivirus or Mac OS built-in tools before opening. Once you've organized files in Finder, Safari's list remains a quick reference for recent downloads. To finish, clear finished items using the Clear button in the Downloads menu, or remove entries one at a time to keep the list tidy. If you don't see the download icon, open Safari Preferences, look under General, and ensure Downloads shows in the toolbar. If downloads stall or never start, restart Safari, and if needed, reboot your Mac. Then test with a small file to confirm network and permissions are fine. This quick troubleshooting fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.